If you are looking for ways to add to your skill set during lockdown, look no further than knitting. See my full-length Knitting Basics video. I talk a lot about how I used knitting to enhance my dressmaking. I take a look at the choice of knitting needles available, and show you examples of some unusual yarns. Forget knitting patterns if you find them too complicated. Knit simple accessories instead. You don't need complicated shapes. Let the beautiful yarn speak for itself. There's so much choice, and if you are not following a pattern, you can often pick up oddments at bargain prices. A very chunky stole goes well with this classic PDF sewing pattern number 615. Join AngelaKane.com for access to all my PDF sewing patterns. Use the lockdown coupon for the £15 membership offer. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for sewing pattern sew-alongs, pattern cutting tutorials, and for learning essential sewing skills. Thank you very much for watching.